Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone IQOO Z8x with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. The phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.64-inch Full HD Plus punch-hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels, with approximately 85.6% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 395 ppi pixel density, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 3 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128GB or 256GB of UFS 2.2. Onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.6 by 75.8 by 9.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 199.6 grams, and the color options black, blue, silver, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS L1, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo IQOO Z8x has been expected price in Pakistan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 54,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 59,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 63,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo IQOO Z8x smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.